Alright, so, I got a little bit of a package. If the quality is different, if the camera's different, if it sounds different, don't worry. I'll explain in a later video. Um, but, like, of the filming. Anyway, um, this is my keyboard, so, this is one of, yeah, I bought a keyboard. This is one of some stuff that's gonna happen. I'm gonna do a video today on what all this is, and that video will come before this video. Anyway, I need my knife. Where's my knife? I don't know where my knife is. It's in this drawer usually, but it's not right now, apparently. It's not a good thing. Hold on. Okay, so apparently we're gonna do this the old-fashioned way, because I don't know where my knife is. I should probably be concerned about that, but it's fine. Okay. What is this? Oh, God. Okay. Here we go. Oh, Jesus. Okay, here. Let's try it. Try it this way. Okay, here. Or, what we could do? I mean, this is a... I only paid, what was it? $28 for this keyboard. It was originally $60, but then they had a sale, and I bought it for $27. Okay, open. Yeah, this is a keyboard. I don't know why it's in this big of a box. It's not that big. Oh, I see it. Okay, I feel like I'm like opening a Christmas present right now. Even though I bought this with my own money, and Christmas is in a month. Okay, get open. Okay, open more. I need more open. Open. Okay. Jesus. What do we have here? Ooh, bubble wrap. Okay. Oh God, it's interesting. Okay. Let's just lay it on my bed. Don't worry. My bed's never made. Alright. I didn't know the brand of it, but apparently true RGB gaming keyboard. Individually backlit keys. Okay. So, what we have here? Keyboard. It has custom profiles. So I'm assuming you can like do things with keys that they're not meant to do. I can do that on my Chromebook anyway. Okay, so gotta open it up now. Oh God. Okay. Jesus. God. Okay. This. Why is this taking so long to open? Okay, there we go. I don't know where my knife went. It'd be very good if I had my knife, because it'd be a lot easier and I wouldn't have to do this all with my hands. God. Okay. Jesus Christ. I only have one hand, too. That's the thing. Okay. This is really out in here. This is actually really hard to get off, and I'm a strong boy. And this is hard to get off. Oh, God. Okay, genuinely difficult. Okay. So, let's see what we got here. Okay. Ooh, goody. Okay, here's a cord for it. Okay, apparently it's all in the same unit. Alright. Well, we have. We'll see. Okay, so it's just in a bag. Oh, it's okay. So it's always connected to the cord. Interesting. Okay. Confused on this. Oh, God. Yes. What am I doing? Alright, I guess it's one way to open that. Jesus. I just want to see how, like, the keys feel. Yeah, I gotta get the whole thing off. Is it stuck on there? Oh, God. Just get off there. Get off. Get off. Okay. Okay. Had these two. It's kind of satisfying. It doesn't sound that bad. It doesn't feel that bad. Like, the keys don't feel like they... Well, no, they feel like they might fall off, but... How does that feel? WASD. I mean, I'm probably gonna use my controller 90% of the time when I'm using it. Anyway, I did not think this would come this early. You ordered it last night, and it came. So we got numbers here, and then we got numbers on the top. Because that's how some keyboards are. Oh, okay, so this is like if you have a movie, like a video playing. I don't know what this is for, but I don't know. That is a loud space bar. Like, it is like 6 times the size of the actual other keys, but Windows button, yes. The thing does run off of Windows 10. The computer does run off of Windows 10. It's not the newest thing, but I don't really care. Just F. Okay, caps. The Chromebook doesn't have caps. Don't mind the money pile you just saw there. That's gonna get spent. No, it already was. Okay. Delete. Control Alt Delete. Yeah, Control Alt F4. Okay, I'm just thinking of random shutdown functions. Okay. No, it's nice overall. I should plug it into my laptop and see how it is. Yes, that does work. I believe it works. I believe I can't just have a keyboard on my laptop, but let's see. Okay, so we got this. We got the laptop. That undone. This. Oh, ooh, it's green. I have some stuff that's like orange inside. I haven't had one that's green. That's just a blank Google Doc because I want to see. Okay, that's not the side with the USB. Wait, no, it is. The mouse. Get out of here, mouse chip. We don't need you right now. Oh, hold on. So it goes in like that. I gotta remember how to put in a USB. I haven't put in anything in USB in a while. Ooh. Look at it. Look at it go. Look at it go. Look at it go. Look at it go. Oh, it changes color. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's nice. Okay, it works. Yeah, it works. Backspace. Where's backspace? Where's backspace? Where's backspace? Backspace? Interesting. Backspace, anyone? I don't see a backspace. I haven't used a keyboard like this in years. I mean, years. I haven't used a Windows keyboard since kindergarten. I don't know what it is. Is it delete? Apparently not. Oh, it's that button. That button. I didn't know that was a backspace. Okay, it would have been nice if it's a backspace, not just an arrow. Okay. Um. Um. Okay. Can I control alt delete? Although this is in Windows. This is HP. F5. F5. Oh, ooh, goody. Interesting. F5. Oh, wait a minute. F6. Oh, that's the brightness. Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay. Wait, no. Okay, I'm starting to learn. I'm learning, okay? I'm learning. Oh, that's mute. Wait, no, that's the... What is this? Okay, so this is the volume. Okay, so this... Okay, so this is the volume. This is just mute. I want volume, kinda. F10. Okay, that's more volume. Oh, that's that. Okay. F12. What does F12 do? What does F12 do? F12 apparently doesn't do anything. Apparently does do something. Okay. I don't want this. No, I really don't want this. No. Okay. Pause break. I want to know what these did. Like this button. Pause break. Is that for like... I guess it's for watching like videos. But does it work on YouTube? Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Goody. 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 Okay. It's just a lot more advanced than a Chrome. Look at this thing. Look at that. It's got backspace. It doesn't have caps lock. What do you mean? It doesn't have caps. It doesn't have that. It doesn't have any of that. It doesn't have these up here. No. I do like that, but I don't know. I think it's interesting how none of these have names for what they do, but they do stuff. Yeah, I've never really used a Windows thing before. I have, but it's been a very long time. Like upwards of like 8 years since I've used one. I used one in like kindergarten in like computer class. We had computer classes in kindergarten. I don't know why. Well, we did. So yeah, that's my keyboard, I guess. It's going. It's actually, how does this fit on my desk? I need to know. All this is probably gonna be gone. Like what's on the desk now. Interesting. I might need a bigger desk. Okay. Oh, my monitor is gonna be 21 inches. So it's gonna be just that. I'm not gonna be able to see my bed anymore. Although I don't really care. I could have put a webcam with it, but I didn't. Anyway, yeah, I guess that's unboxing of the keyboard. I'll do unboxing of all the other stuff, I guess.